Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kagam. So as you know, it is Chanel 22p launch week. You know what time it is on this channel. Whenever Chanel launches a new collection, I will absolutely cover it on the channel. But I must say, I've been quite surprised by the level of actual product that Chanel have churned out for 22p, because I'm literally so busy. Like I don't even know, like I personally don't even know how people have time to kind of follow up on all these things, because I've been trying to find the time. So I came back from work today. I actually created this price list. It was actually on my website, so you can go check it out. It's linked below. So this is how it's gonna work. We're only talking about the things that I like, okay? Sorry, I don't like the cocoa handle, so I'm not covering it. You can go watch it on another page. Sorry, I don't like the woks, except the mini wok, so we're not going to cover the major woks. You can go watch that on other pages, sorry. However, I do have 6 currencies: US dollar, euros, Canadian dollar, pound sterling, the Singaporean dollar, and the Australian dollar that I'm going to cover in this video. So yeah, I'm just so excited, so I can't wait. So let's just get straight into it. So the first piece that I wanted to discuss is the mini with the top handle. So we all thought it was going up, it's going up, it didn't go up. I did double check today on the US site again, it didn't go up. Remember when I first did the preview videos of the mini with the top handle, I was telling you guys how I really liked this one mini, which had like this really beautiful like cloudy colorway. I was telling you guys so much about it, like, oh, I love this mini, I love this mini, I love this mini. I don't really trust like the way Chanel takes like pictures like on the website basically for their products. Like the pictures on the website look a little bit underwhelming to me, but the colors themselves look really great. I feel like I need to see this in Facebook groups, so hopefully someone will post it in a group at some point. But the prices are pretty much the same. As I said, you can catch all of them on by blog, but it's in the EU, it is still 4,100. If you were to buy this bag today in Paris with the VAT refund, it's 4,100 euros, and you would get that 12% off as well. So that would also be really cool. Let's talk about this one right here. This is the Chanel 19 seasonal flap. Chanel call it a printed goatskin. I think that this is really cute. It has this like kind of fresh, powdery kind of vibe to it. There's something about it that I really like. I don't know what it is exactly about it that I like, but there's something very fresh and powdery. I've noticed that I used to be someone who wasn't, I love bright colors and prints. I don't really like neutrals, but I'm really getting into like ivory, cream, and colors like that. I'm liking those colors more. I really like this. I feel like this works if it's your personal style. I feel like if this bag isn't your personal style, it's not going to work for you. So I think a lot of people saw this bag, and I've seen people discuss this bag in Facebook groups and say that they think, I remember seeing someone in a group said it looked like tie-dye gone wrong. People said it looks like, you know, a blanket for toys for kids. Obviously people are making fun of it, and normally when people make fun of a bag, that's when I kind of know that a bag is special. I can't explain it. I do think that this is a special piece. I think that this has to be your personal style. So I think you do need to wear cream, ivory, neutrals, pastels, like pastel pinks and things like that, and pastel greens for this to work. I think if it's your personal style, it's a really, really great piece. The next piece that's also on my price list, linked below, is this small vanity with chain. I think this is really expensive. In the UK, this is £3,400. This is tiny, and I'm pretty sure this doesn't fit your phone. You could take that 3,400, add an extra £120, and get the mini with the top handle, which does fit your phone. I think it's quite like, I think Chanel, you know, trolling with this piece. I think this is one of Chanel's troll pieces. It is absolutely ridiculous because I'm pretty sure it doesn't fit your phone. If anyone has seen this in the boutique, you will let me know. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, now let's talk about this one here. This is one of my favorites. This is the mini wok. That's what people on Instagram are calling it. However, Chanel calls it a clutch with chain, because you know she loves to troll. So she says it's a clutch with chain. I love this. It's 2,160 in the UK, it's 2,900 in the US, and it's 2,550 in the EU. I think this is really, really cute. This kind of reminds me of something that I would, if I was to purchase this, I would like wear it to go to the casino. There's something about this that's very casino-ish. And I like that about this bag. It's very fun, and it comes, I think it comes in this like pink coral. This is like a coral pink. Does this also come in purple, or am I just imagining that right now? I feel like I am imagining that. I love this. I think it's really, really cute. Okay, now let's talk about this one right here. This is the seasonal mini flap. One of you actually told me you purchased this. Well done, good for you. I think this is super cute. It's 3,570 in the UK, 4,900 in the US, 4,200 in the EU. I love this. I think it's really, really feminine and cute. I think this also comes in light blue, and it also comes in purple. I actually think this is one of the best seasonal mini flaps that they have created. I love that enamel that they've put on the double C's. Does that not remind you of those like big H enamel bracelets? I think they're called the tress bangles that I like. I love the enamel there. I think it's really, really darling. Okay, so I wanted to kind of talk to you about some other things which I think you guys might be interested in. They're also listed on my blog. This Chanel 19 pouch, again, it has that print from the Chanel 19 bag, which people have been making fun of on Facebook and Instagram. I like this. It's 1,120 in the UK, 1,525 in the US, and it's 1,320 euros in the EU. I think this is super, super cute. I like this a lot. I believe it's also, hold on, wait, I think this is either goat skin. Yeah, I think it is goat skin, yeah. Okay, now let's talk about two really surprising things that I was absolutely shocked about. These earrings, when these earrings first leaked, I remember thinking, I want to know how much these are in euros and pounds. Okay, I just want to know. I was absolutely shocked when I checked the website yesterday, because they actually uploaded the whole collection on the website yesterday quietly, but you had to search for it. These are £450 in the UK, they're 530 euros in the EU, they're $625. I was shocked at the prices for these earrings because I was absolutely convinced that these double C statement earrings with the cursive and the crystals, I was convinced they were going to be £800 because Chanel have done shenanigans like this before with their costume jewelry. These are $450. I think these are a bargain, must have. I think they're very, very cute. They're very unique and different. I love the contrast of like the cursive, the double C's and the crystals. I think it's super, super cute. Okay, the next one I wanted to talk about that I thought was really, really interesting are these Chanel heart earrings. These Chanel heart earrings are also quite surprising in the way they've been priced. I think these are like the costume jewelry unicorns of this collection. Many people on social media have been talking about them. £510, $700, and they're 610 euros. These are very, very popular. Personally, not a fan of these. I prefer the other ones that I was just telling you about. But again, I think I was just really, really surprised to see the pricing of these ones here. I mean, £510, 610 euros, $700. Like, I was really surprised. I really did think that these were going to, I thought they were going to be like $1,000 and they're not. I do like the ones from before, those ones that are £450. I'm wondering, are they $450 because they're small? I did see some pictures in one group that someone posted of the ones that I like, and they did look quite substantial and quite big. You don't want them to be too big or they're going to be way too heavy like on your ear, and they're going to be a bit excessive. So yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of the prices. Now I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about like what I think is going to be happening with Chanel and Chanel pricing, and like where does that leave like us, you know, and those of you, you know, who love the brand, and what do you guys think of the pricing? I think, well, first of all, I think now is the time to get the mini with the top handle, because the mini with the top handle, you know, didn't go up. And the fact that Chanel like didn't raise the price of the mini with the top handle, I don't know, I just kind of feel like now is an opportunity to get those kind of deals, you know, I call them deals at the brand. I think the costume jewelry is priced quite well. I also saw these trainers. I thought it was worth kind of just letting you guys know. I believe these are new season. I've never seen them before. These are £800 in the UK. And you know me, I don't like blue, but I like these. I really, really like these. Chanel says that they're turquoise, but they do look like a sort of They look like light blue, but with a great undertone to it. There's something, they don't look exactly like blue broom, but they look like some of the Hermes blues that have a really strong gray undertone to them. I really like these trainers. Again, the price is good. It's a good price. I think they're very stylish. I think they look great. I think they look fantastic with jeans or like a double denim look. Really, really like these. There are a bunch of trainers on the website if you're interested that are new for 22p. I believe that this is one of them. So I think in terms of the pricing, now's the time to go and scoop out those deals. Right now, the deals at the Chanel are as follows. The mini with the top handle, the Chanel 19. There's a lot of ready to wear as well there that I was looking at. There's some really cool ready to wear. I love this this is like a shacket. Okay, I don't know why Chanel on one of Chanel's English language sites, I think it's the UK one, they call it a blouson. I don't know why they would call it that. I think it's more like a shacket. Maybe they don't like the word shacket, but to me it looks like a shacket. I think it's really, really cool. I think this would look great with, like, again, denim, faded denim, brick denim. I think it's really, really nice. A lot of you had been telling me, like, you know, Big C wants me to buy her ready to wear. It's too formal. Look at this. This is nice and casual. This would look really cool for casual looks. You could wear this with a denim skirt. You could wear this with a leather skirt. You could wear this with jeans, with leggings. I love this. I think it's great. I think it's like £5,310, something like that in the UK. It's really pricey, but I do think it's very nice. It's a tweed shacket though. It is tweed, so I think it is worth kind of noting that in case you don't like tweed, because tweed is not everyone's cup of tea, to be honest with you, and that's fine, but I do like this as well. I think it's really nice. And of course the dress as well. I actually created a separate ready to wear post on my blog, so you can go read that as well. This dress I think is made from cotton. It's like £2,880. That's a good price for a Chanel dress. I think this is very nice. Unfortunately, it's a bit too short for my life here in Tanzania. It would not work out for me, but I think it's really nice. Of course, I love pink, so I'm very much into it. I'd love to know what you guys think of the Chanel 22p launch and this new release, and what are your thoughts on Chanel's releases and launches moving forward. So now the 22p launch has just happened. The next collection is coming out in April, which is 22S, or March, April, something like that. Let's say like end of March, beginning of April. That's probably when the summer collection will be launching, and that is the one with the very famous heart bag. Has anyone reserved anything from 22p? Have you reserved anything from 22s? I would love to know what you guys think. What do you guys think of my top picks? The things that I've mentioned in this video. Do you like anything? Yeah, I would love to know like what you guys think. So yeah, make sure that you tell me. I think that Chanel is Chanel, honey. Like, she's gonna do what she wants to do. Any week that Chanel launches, I'm so busy updating my blog, my Instagram, my Facebook page, because Chanel knows how to keep people busy. Like, she knows how to keep you busy. She knows how to keep you engaged. And she's just constantly churning out products. So my question to you, therefore, is, do we think that Chanel releases too much product? Like, what do you guys think about that? Do we think that Chanel has too many bags, too many SLGs, too many troll pieces? By the way, there are tons of troll pieces, boo-boo, in this collection, like that ridiculous vanity. That's this big and that's £3,400. I have no idea. Whoever priced that item, okay, you are barking mad, or tell me what kind of whiskey you're drinking, because I want to drink it too. It's clearly really good. It's probably the famous grouse, because I have no idea why that person priced it that way. What do you think of all the things that they're releasing? What do you think of the ready-to-wear? Is anyone reserving any ready-to-wear from this collection? If you are, let me know. I'd love to chat to you and to kind of get your understanding of why you decided to pick something out. Before I go, I want someone to answer a question for me. Has anyone purchased a Gucci jumper or a Gucci dress? If you have, does it run true to size? I want to order something from Gucci, but I need to know if it runs true to size, or should I order a size up or 2 sizes up? My size is there at Gucci, so that's the good news. I can see my size there, but I want to know, should I order 2 sizes up? If I'm like, for example, if I'm an ASOS 10 to 12 on my top half, like if I wear an ASOS 10 to 12 on t-shirts, should I order 2 sizes up at Gucci? Like, if you've actually purchased Gucci ready to wear, I would love to just like hear from you, and you can tell me what you think. I would love to know what you guys think of Chanel in general. I'm kind of in a Chanel mood at the moment, and I think it's because of my Paris trip. I went to Chanel a little bit, but I didn't go that much. By the way, a lot of people have been saying that Chanel's pictures, people have been saying like the bags, the colors aren't looking great. Honestly, I don't believe the way Chanel take pictures on the website at all, because I remember when the cruise collection launched, I remember thinking like those mint green Chanel 19s, I was like, those mint green Chanel 19s look a hot mess. I am not feeling them. And then when I saw them in Paris, I thought they were vibrant and beautiful and refreshing. So I feel like maybe the pictures that Chanel, like the official pictures that Chanel has, they're probably just not true to what we expect. So I'd love to know what you guys think about that. Please make sure that you're fully subscribed, you hit notifications, you join the Facebook group, follow me on TikTok, follow my new Instagram, guys, please. Follow my new luxury Instagram, because my personal Instagram, I swear, I'm like probably the most boring person. I post like random things that I see during the day, or I'm at the office and I'm like, I post that I'm at the office, you know? Because even my husband was like, Kagem, your personal Instagram is like you posting that you're at work. I'm that annoying friend who's like, hey guys, I'm at work today. So make sure you go follow my luxury Instagram so you don't have to be subjected to that, my like normal posts and stuff. So, and please go check out the blog. Everything is linked below. I'd love to know what you think about everything. I have lots of great content coming up this week. I have an Hermes price increase video coming as well. I'm going to upload that Paris vlog I told you guys about, the one that's remaining. Just great content coming, and yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see all of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Thursday in my next video.